guys, welcome to Explorer. In this video, we will be going to talk about roadmap to placements. Yes, but before that, I really want to thank you to all of you guys for supporting this channel. Recently, we have completed 1 month to our YouTube channel, and I'm pretty sure if I'll do this work consistently and with a bit of a improvement from my side, this channel will be really helpful for you. So when I thought कि मैं YouTube चैनल स्टार्ट करूँगी at that time मैंने कभी ये इमेजिन नहीं किया था कि इसका इतना अच्छा रिव्यू होगा इतने कम टाइम में सो बट आई एम प्रीटी श्योर इफ अगर मैं ये काम करती रहूँगी सो इसका बहुत अच्छा आउटकम आई कैन एक्सपेक्ट सो yes so in this video we will be going to talk about how to get ready for the placement from the start. So if you are from third year and fourth year, and if you are wondering for such kind of a question that how should I start for the placement, so this video will be really helpful for you guys. So watch till the end, and without any further delay, let's get started for the video. So जब बात कैंपस प्लेसमेंट्स की होती है, there are n number of questions in your mind that how can I start preparing for aptitude exam? I'm not good at aptitude. I'm not good at coding. So मेरा aggregate भी अच्छा नहीं है और I'm not good at English and blah blah blah. So ये सब चीजें if you are working or if you are studying in second year, third year, or although you are in last year, you have enough time to brush up on and to work upon the skills. So कुछ चीजें हैं जो आपको follow करनी है step by step manner में. So if you follow all these things which I will be mentioned in this video, then I'm pretty sure you will be definitely grab a placement from your college itself. So now we will be mostly talking about a tier 3 colleges where mainly companies are like TCS, Wipro, Accenture came to the campus for placements. So in some में एक इनका कॉमन ही एक प्रोसेस होता है हायरिंग का. सो वो प्रोसेस क्या होता है? सो बहुत सारी ड्राइव्स को अटेंड करके ये सारी मेन चीजें हैं और मेन राउंड है जो हर कोई भी एप्टीट्यूड हर कोई भी राउंड में आपको पूछे जा सकते हैं और हर कोई कंपनी में आपको ये पूछे जा सकते हैं. सो व्हाट आर दोज राउंड्स? So even if some companies also hire graduate students, so उनके लिए भी some companies का ये criteria same ही होता है. So basically there are 5 rounds which I have segregated. If you follow these five rounds or if you particularly prepare for all these rounds, so I'm pretty sure that you will be grab an opportunity for a placements. Okay. So what are that round? So first of all, every company has a particular criteria that they want a 60% or 58% overall aggregate throughout your semester. Depending on the aggregate of your semester exam, the package also varies. Which I have observed in my colleges. So there are companies like who are demanding for aggregate up to 70 and 75%, and they are offering 8 to 9 lakhs of packages as well. So ऐसे कुछ कंपनीज है और कुछ पूल कैंपस भी ड्राइव्स होते हैं, वहाँ पे वो डिमांड करते हैं कि 65% भी आपके थ्रू आउट एग्रीगेट होने चाहिए एंड अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट योर पैकेज रेंज वेरीज. सो ये चीज आपको ध्यान में रखनी है कि एटलीस्ट try to be in a good numbers, at least start from your first year and second year, and how you can be good at your aggregate, then how can be good at your academics. I have already mentioned that video in a description box, so that video will definitely help you to achieve good score in your exams. Now your first step is done. Now we'll come to a second step. Now you are, let's say, in a fourth year and your placements will be in a next month or will be in this fourth year or in this fourth year itself. So इसमें आपको क्या करना है? So first round is a filtration round which is called as an aptitude test. Yes. So mostly let's talk about a TCS. So TCS ने demand किया है that they want a student from ENTC, IT and computer science. And how many eligible students are there? Let's say 370 or 350 students are there. So उनमें से उनको उन्होंने filter करना है. So how are they going to filter the candidates? Based upon the aptitude test. Yes. Now, how to prepare for a aptitude, and what is a great time to prepare for aptitude? Well, there are students who are saying that I'm not good at aptitude. मेरा quant अच्छा नहीं है, मेरा logical reasoning ही अच्छा नहीं है. And guys, all these things are a matter of practice, which I have realized throughout the time. Even I am facing some of the challenges while solving some questions on aptitude test itself, but if you follow those at least and if you practice it regularly, then you will be able to build a logic or you will be able to solve that particular problem. So इसके लिए आपको कहाँ से प्रिपेयर करना है? आर एस अग्रवाल. आर एस अग्रवाल ही आपका सेवियर है एप्टीट्यूड टेस्ट के लिए. सो आई विल मेंशन अमेजॉन लिंक, वहाँ पे आर एस अग्रवाल का करंट एडिशन वहाँ पे मेंशन किया हुआ है. सो यू शुड बाय दैट एंड यू शुड परचेस दैट एंड स्टार्ट solving aptitude problem for at least for 1 hour per day. So if you try to solve this example before 3 months and before 4 months, it would be enough. And there are particular websites as well which will give you an overview about how to, or what are the kind of questions will be asked in aptitude exam. So I will also mention those websites in the description box, and some famous websites are like IndiaBix and Examveda and all that. These kinds of websites are there where you can refer. And not only that, I will mention one blog where this blog is written by a software developer, and where he have covered each and everything about how can you start preparing for placement, what is the difference between service company, what is the difference between product company, और कैसे आप कर सकते हो, what are the technical rounds. So each and everything is great describe किया है इस blog में. So I will suggest you to refer that blog at least. Okay, so now we are done with the aptitude round. Once you have cleared aptitude round, then most of the companies who will be hiring you for software development or any technical round, they will be going to ask you about a technical round. So technical round is basically varies from companies to companies. So when I was appearing for campus placement, there are technical rounds, like वहाँ पे उन्होंने पूछा था कि technical MCQs were there, and also some coding problems were there. That varies from companies to companies. So कुछ companies है जो आपको technical MCQs पूछेंगे, तो आपको कैसे prepare करना है technical MCQs के लिए. So refer to sandfoundry.com. I will mention that website in the description box. And coding problem की practice कैसे करनी है, कब से करने हैं. It would be really great कि आपका placement से 6 months पहले ही आप ये preparation करना start कर दो, तो आपके लिए ये बहुत अच्छा रहेगा कि आपको कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं आएगी. सो इफ योर प्लेसमेंट इज समथिंग लाइक 15 डेज के बाद आपके कॉलेज में कंपनी आ रही है, एंड 15 डेज बिफोर यू आर taking all these things for studying, then it would be really difficult for you guys. So at least 6 months पहले आप ये सब preparation करना start कर दो. So that's why आपको कोई भी यहाँ पे दिक्कत नहीं आएगी. So once you are done with the technical round, now some companies may have a round called as a group discussion. ये हर कंपनीज में नहीं होता, बट यस कुछ कंपनीज में ये डेफिनेटली पूछा जाता है दैट दे विल बी गिविंग यू एनी करंट अफेयर टॉपिक. कोई भी लेट्स से कोविड-20 दे दिया आपको और आपको उस पे ग्रुप डिस्कशन करना है. सो दिस काइंड ऑफ अ ग्रुप डिस्कशन राउंड वुड बी देयर. सो ट्राई टू बी बेस्ट एट रिप्रेजेंटिंग योर पॉइंट, स्टिक टू द पॉइंट so that you can definitely whatever you want to say to examiner, you can confidently say that to an examiner. So now once you are done with a group discussion, and then there's a round called as a face-to-face interview. So there are some common questions which has been asked in a face-to-face interview. So which are those questions? The first question would be always tell me about yourself. So I have already made one video about tell me about yourself, where I have covered all those points. Like if you are a fresher, what are the things you need to mention in tell me about yourself question. So you should follow that. I will also mention that link in the description box. And also some common questions like where do you see yourself in next 5 years? What is your dream company? What are your plans for after graduation? Some kind of a common questions would be there. And not only that, some technical questions or some project related question will be there. It depends on in which position they are looking a particular candidate. So yes, so these are some points. If you follow these points from a starting period, then I'm pretty sure आपको प्लेसमेंट में कोई भी और किसी भी प्रकार की दिक्कत आ सकती है. नाउ इफ यू फाइंड दिस वीडियो हेल्पफुल, तो इसको शेयर करें ज्यादा से ज्यादा, सो दैट ये नॉलेज आपके स्टूडेंट्स स्टूडेंट्स में जिनको अवेयरनेस नहीं होती है, जिनके कुछ मिसकंसेप्शंस होते हैं कि आई एम नॉट गुड एट एप्टीट्यूड एंड नॉट गुड एट टेक्निकल स्किल्स, सो गाइस इट्स जस्ट अ मैटर ऑफ प्रैक्टिस. सम स्टूडेंट्स वर लाइक जिनके लिए 1 month is enough, some students are like उनके लिए 6 month is also not enough, and there are some students also like कि जिनके लिए 1 साल पहले ही उनको प्रिपरेशन करनी पड़ती है. Yes, so it's a matter of practice. So practice करते रहिए. Remember guys, one thing is really important is that कैंपस प्लेसमेंट में जहां आपको 350 स्टूडेंट्स के साथ कॉम्पीट करना पड़ रहा है, अगर आप ग्रेजुएट हो गए एंड स्टिल आपके पास जॉब नहीं है, तो आपको 3 लाख स्टूडेंट के साथ कॉम्पीट करना पड़ेगा. सो नाउ यू डिसाइड विच इज बेटर. Okay, so I have tried my best to give you in this video. If you find this video helpful, then try to share between your friends, and thank you so much for watching this video.